Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to get paid $150 to $250 for typing and making memes, okay? So this is going to be very interesting and it could be for a lot of you guys. So let's get started right now. Alright, before I begin, if you don't like this method for some reason, it doesn't work for you, check out the first link in the video description where you can learn how to build your own online business instead, which is something that I do online, and you can use this business model to make passive online income, and it's one of the best ways to earn online. This is also a way for you to earn big money as well. So this is a good method that I'm going to show you because you do earn pretty well with this method, but you just may not like it, I don't know. But I think it's pretty fun. So let's get started and show you what this one is. And don't forget, since you're on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it valuable, okay? So let's get cracking to cracked right now, okay? Alright, so the site I'm showing you is cracked.com. So this website has actually over 9 million people visiting it every single month. And so this is a high traffic site where they have articles that are very weird and very current trending topics or very into the pop culture type of things that they write about. Look, they have stuff like, 5 bizarro Marvel TV shows that almost happened, famous people who are surprisingly different in person. They have these little images with words on it as well. So this is what you'll be doing for them. You could be creating these articles for them and write for them, or even make images for them and make memes. Okay, so this is a very, very interesting site where you could earn by doing really fun things and really fun topics. Okay, so if you want to check this out, you just gotta click right here, Write for Us, and you'll get to this page where it says, we want you. You can write and make stuff for Cracked today. If you are a funny, smart, creative person, Cracked is the single best opportunity you will ever come across in your life. Really? No experience necessary. We will pay you if it's good. You talk directly to the editors. Your work could be seen by millions of people. We need writers, artists, and people can do a little bit of both. Take your pick. So that's very cool, okay? So now the rest of this page will go over the things that you can create for them. So first thing, of course, the biggest thing is the articles. If you want to get paid to write the list style feature articles that crack.com is famous for, like 26 sexy Halloween costumes that shouldn't exist, or 6 books everyone, including your English teacher, got wrong, the actual answers to 6 unsolved movie TV mysteries, or 6 sad facts about beloved children proven by fans, etc. You simply need to sign up for our writer's forum. The only thing we require is that you're passionate, creative, and respectful of other writers, and it takes 0 effort to join, okay? So you would just click this button, register or log in, and then there's more things that you can do. So if you don't like writing, that's fine. So you don't have to write, but the things that you get to write is like pretty weird stuff, right? So images. If you prefer writing bite-sized comedy, we're always looking for people to create entertaining, informative images that can be shared on social media. We publish them in sets. 15 paranormal images even non-crazy people find creepy. 27 movie effects that didn't stand the test of time. So these are the types of things that you can create. So you just need an image and then a little title, to catch people's attention, and then a little bit story about the image. So that if you don't want to write, so these are going to be probably longer articles. So if I just take a look at this one, I mean, you're hardly writing. Look at this. I mean, 26 sexy Halloween costumes that shouldn't exist. And there's no real, there 2 paragraphs, and then for each costume, you're just writing a tiny little, 1 sentence for each one. So this is not hard writing at all. So if even for list type, it is not a lot of writing. So it's just the topic. They want you to give them awesome topics. And so images, so these are like memes. And then there's also these single artist image sets. If you've got an idea for a set of a dozen or so images of a single topic, pitch it to us on the image set pitch board. We're always looking for clever new observations in image macro form. And if you're not handy with image editing software, we can pair you up with someone who is. If you're on the fence whether your idea should be an article or an image set, ask yourself these questions here. Can the points be explained briefly, 30 to 60 words? Would they benefit from really strong visuals? Can I come up with 12 ideas on my topic? If so, congratulations, your brilliant idea is an image set. Okay, so you could pitch it there for image set. This photoplasty and pictofacts contests, I really don't know what this means, but it's some kind of image contest that you can enter, so you could check that out. And Cracked is one of the most popular comedy sites on planet Earth. If we feature your content, it will be seen by a lot of people. So what they were saying here is that because they have 9 million people coming to their site every single month, you can be discovered and other opportunities can come for you, okay? They also wrote this article that I found about writing for a crack, getting paid, and they're saying here that, you know, this author who wrote this article, this person started in 2008 when they were only paying 50 bucks, and nowadays they're gonna get paid 150 to 250 for that. Okay, so 150 is for the first 4 articles and then 250 for every one after that. The list type articles are not hard to write because you're just listing things and you saying a little bit about each item. So the process is pretty easy. You sign up for you can even sign up for the Cracked Comedy Workshop, which will help you. And then you could pitch your idea, and then you could work with the Crack's editors to shape the idea. And if the idea is accepted, you could write up a draft and get paid, and then brag about your accomplishment. So what else is there here? Oh yeah, I did see here. We don't care if you're 60 or 16. They didn't say 13, so I'm not sure if 13, 14, 15-year-olds can do this, but I don't think it matters because as long as your parents know that you're going to be writing for Cracked, I think you'll be fine, okay? And I don't think they care what country you're from. We don't need your resume. We don't care if you've been published in the New Yorker or if your entire creative output to date is erotic. I don't know what that is. So they don't care about a lot of things. They only care about your awesome ideas. So if you have awesome ideas, doesn't matter where you're from, just go and pitch it to them and see what happens, okay? So you just never know, and there's other opportunities. The rest of this article, I had read earlier that, you know, people like authors that get published on their site actually get other opportunities to write for other people, and even maybe even bigger publishing places. You could get a lot of recognition, you could get other offers, so you just never know what opportunities can happen if you write for Cracked. And so that is a really great way for you to start making money online. But if you like writing though, you might want to even write for yourself one day. And you could use this platform, it's called Wealthy Affiliate, to help you monetize your website. So if you want to write for yourself, create your own blog website, then that's even better because you can actually make even more money if you write for yourself. This is a online training platform where they teach you step by step how to build a blog website, and they teach you exactly how to write, what to write, how to find a niche, and how to even use keyword research and everything else to get ranked on Google so you can get traffic to your website. And then they show you how to monetize that site with affiliate marketing. And so I did this training back in 2016, and by 2018, I was actually a super affiliate for this platform with my website, workanywherenow.com, and their training actually trained me that well. So their training definitely works, and I've been with them since then. And so I highly recommend, if you really like writing, that you actually start your own online business using your own blog website and use affiliate marketing to monetize your website and make a lot more money, because that's what crack.com is. Crack.com is just a blog. So you could create your own blog as well and earn your own money and earn 100% of your own money. But you know what? Getting started, it is kind of slow at first. When you first create a blog website, Google is not going to rank you right away. So it does take time to grow. A blogging thing is not instant money, but it takes time. And so once it gets ranked though on Google, you can get massive amount of traffic, and that's when you could really skyrocket your income. And you could also put ads on it. So you see Cracked have a bunch of ads. When I was on here, I had to click off. You see this ad, and there's many other ads. There's another ad that just flipped. So you can have your own ads on your website as well. And then you can also get guest posts and sponsor posts. There's actually a lot of different ways that you can monetize your own blog, not just one way. So affiliate marketing is a huge way to monetize, and that's why there's a platform for you to learn how to do that. So this is a great option, and it's worldwide as well. And 13-year-olds can go on here with your parents' permission, because it is free to sign up, but then you do need the premium membership to get the full training access, okay? If you don't have the full training access, then you won't learn everything, and then it may not work for you. To sign up for this website and get my face on here, you do want to have my face on here, because if you don't have my face on here, then you won't get me as your free coach on the platform. I offer free coaching as one of my bonuses. And so if you want my personal help, then sign up with me. And the link is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. So if you use my link, I will be there to help you. You will get a message from me when you sign up, and I'll give you all my bonus information. It's not just coaching, so you're going to get more than that. So if you do go on there, you can look me up, Littlemama, and you'll find my profile, and then go to my blog section of my profile to see my income reports that I've put on there, so you can see how much money I've been making through my journey on there. And so, I mean, of course, income disclaimer, you could make more or less than what I make, and everybody's results are different. So there is no guarantee. It's all up to you how much work that you put in, okay? So if you want to sign up with Wealthy Affiliate, don't forget to sign up with workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, because or else you won't get me as your free coach, okay? So that's why you want to see my face on the front of Wealthy Affiliate, and make sure you use my link, because I'll be there to help you on the platform. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you could learn even more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.